What's the matter with me? I don't have much to say. Daylight sneaking through the window, and I'm still in this all-night cafe. Walking to and fro beneath the moon, out to where the trucks are rolling slow, to sit down on this bank of sand and watch the river flow. Wish I was back in the city instead of this old bank of sand, with the sun beating down on the chimney tops and the one I love so close at hand. If I had wings and I could fly, I know where I would go. But right now I'll just sit here so contentedly and watch the river flow. People disagreeing on just about everything, yeah. Makes you want to stop and wonder why. Well, only yesterday I saw someone on the street that couldn't help but cry. Yeah, but this old river keeps rolling though, no matter what gets in the way or which way the wind is blowing. As long as it does, I'll just sit here and watch the river flow. People disagreeing everywhere you look. Makes you want to stop and read a book. Why, only just today I saw someone on the street who was really shook. Yeah, well, but this old river keeps rolling though, no matter what gets in the way or which way the wind is blowing. As long as it does, I'll just sit here and watch the river flow. Watch the river flow, watching the river flow, watching the river flow. This old river keeps rolling though, no matter what gets in the way.